Alright, recording the sewer line here today at 2360 North 58. The date is May 6, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out on the east side of the home. We're looking at the Seattle City mainline sewer running down the middle of the street out there on 58th. We're going to pull back from here. The footage is zeroed out, so we're going to get an accurate footage on the count for the liner or potential liner project we've got going. So everything back from this point is the responsibility for repair, maintenance, and replacement of the homeowner. City takes over at that point where the main's coming back or coming by. We are now in 6-inch diameter clay sewer pipe. Got a seam in the pipe approximately every 2 feet. Those seams are the weak spots. That's where the roots come in, that's where the shifting happens, that's where the breaking happens. We're coming back from the main, we're out under the street, we're probably getting close back to the sidewalk area now. There's our 4-inch by 6-inch diameter transition. You see right after a number of roots right there from that big tree of the sidewalk. So it looks like we've got about 42 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe I'm getting from the main back to this spot. We are going to pause the video briefly and double check my competitor's locates. Okay, we're just resuming the recording there. We've got the 4x6 located right damn close to the property line sidewalk there. I've zeroed out the footage now as we come back into this 4-inch diameter section. Some root intrusion through some of the seams here. A final turn there and into the plastic at that point. We're going to call that 31 feet of 4-inch diameter pipe before we come back into this ABS clean out.
That's where we added the that's all new stuff.
Piping. Yep, there's the ABS clean out we're making this recording from and the video there.